In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to trade alongside with the trend. And what is a trend? What is a trending market? A trending market is a market that has series of higher highs and higher lows, or series of lower highs and lower lows. It's either we're having an upward market direction or a downward market direction. So before we look for trade opportunities on a trending market, we have to first identify a market that is trending. And these trends can be identified on any time frame. It can be identified on the 1 hour time frame, the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, the weekly time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, even the 1-minute time frame. You can identify market trends on them. So we'll be identifying the market trend on the 1 hour time frame on step index, and I'll show you guys how to look out for trade opportunities on a trending market. So you've seen the market heading to the downside. The first thing we do is identify where the market is headed to. You've seen the market direction, market on a downward direction. So next is to match up our trend level of resistance and our trend level of support, because on trend lines we have our support level and our resistance level. That's our resistance level, and we have our support level at these points. Support levels are like the floors of the market, while resistance levels are like the roof of the market. Resistance levels prevents the market from a further move to the upside, while support levels prevents the market from a further move to the downside. You've seen how the market got to this point. It bounced off, bought to the upside, came back to this same diagonal line, bought to the upside, came back to this same level again, bought to the upside. And when the market came to this point, it sold to the downside, came to this same level, sold to the downside. And when identifying our trend, let's make sure 2 points are matching at least. So now we have spotted our trend level of support and trend level of resistance, as well as identify the market direction. How to look out for trade opportunities in this market direction. Remember, we're on a downtrend, so our focus should be mainly on the sell side of the market. So the next thing we do is to spot our horizontal level of support and our horizontal level of resistance. We have this level as a level of support, broke and turned resistance. Here the market broke as a support, broke below, turned resistance, so to the downside. So we have identified our first level of resistance and support. So let's identify our next level as well. We have this level as a level of support that got broken, turned resistance. So we should focus more on the level of support that got broken. That's where our trade opportunities would come from, because we're on a downtrend. So look out for level of support that got broken, turned resistance. So our first level of support was at this point. When we zoom in the chart, we can see the market bought from as a support, the first buy, the second buy, the third buy from this level, the fourth buy at this point. So this level was a support level. It finally got broken at this point, retested at this zone. Whenever a level of support is broken, it turns to resistance. So you see how the market broke below this level of support, came to test this level again as a resistance. So our focus should be level of support that got broken. Then look out for sell opportunities on the retest of those levels. So this level got broken, retest on it. So we'll be looking out for sell opportunities at this point, having our stop loss above the trend resistance. So someone who took a sell trade at this point will definitely make good profit by shorting from this level. You see how the market sold after the approach on this level, is sell to the downside. So the next thing is to identify the next level of support that got broken. So we have this level as a level of support. We see how the market has been acting on this level, bought from it, the buys to the upside, came back to this level again, tested it, broke below it, retested. So someone who sold on the retest of this level definitely make good profit. Let's focus more on the support levels, like we've seen at this point. Support level broken, turn resistance, the retest on it, the sell to the downside. Remember, we first identify the market trend, the market on a downtrend, and look out for sell opportunities on this downtrend. Level of support broken, turn resistance. So we got this level of support that got broken, turn resistance. Whenever the market tests this level, it sells from it. The first test I sold, the second test sold. So look out for trade opportunities on the test of this level of support that got broken, turn resistance. You know, the market tested this level again at this point, so to the downside. Now we have this level as a level of support, our next level of support. You've seen the market bought from as a support, bought from as a support, bought from as a support. We have multiple buys on this level of support. It finally got broken at this point, retested. So our focus should be on the retest of this level to sell this market, to sell this market. See how the market retested this level, the retest on it, market sold to the downside. So that's it basically. And we have our next level of support as well at this point. We have our next level of support at this zone. Market bought from here as a support. See the buys from this zone as a support. Market bought from here too as a support, broke below it, support turned resistance, the retest on it, market sold to the downside. So looking at for trade opportunities on the retest of this support level broken will give you an edge in the market. So selling from here will definitely make you good profit. You see the market sold after the retest on this zone. That's a good trade. So that's it basically. Identify the market trend, spot your trend level of support and resistance. The same thing applies in an uptrend. You identify the market direction, market heading to the upside, spot your trend level of support and resistance. We have this level as our level of support. You see the market both as a support, both as a support. So identify our trend level of support and our trend resistance. Then identify your horizontal level of support and resistance. That's the next step. Then look out for trade opportunities on the break and retest of resistance levels turned support. That's our interest on an uptrend market. This is not really a perfect uptrend market because we are not getting sequential level of resistance, broke a ton support. We got our first level of resistance at this point. Market rejected at this zone, resistance at this point, broke above it, retest at this point. There was a further sell to the downside to come test our trend support. That's why it's advisable to set your stop loss below the trend. If you're looking for buy opportunities, let your stop loss be below the trend support. So having your stop loss above this level, even with this little retracement, you won't still get stopped out. So you see how the market bought to the upside. The same thing applied at this point. Support level, market reacted on it, the buys to the upside. So that's how simple and easy it can be. Identify the market direction, the market trend, then spot your horizontal level of support and resistance. Then look out for trade opportunities on the break of level of resistance and level of support. So that's it for trading alongside with the market trend. Smash like button for more videos like this and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my Tony viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging my videos. Actually means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day. Peace.